In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the advanced restart inside of Windows 10. So if you're on Windows 10 desktop, we're going to left click on our Start menu and go to our cogwheel settings. We may need to resize this window. There we go. And we're going to find the Update and Security tab and click it. On the left-hand panel, we're going to go down to Recovery. And then we can see here as our second option, Advanced Startup. Let's go ahead and click Restart Now. And our computer will start to restart. Now you can see here, we have choose an option. We can continue and boot up to Windows 10. We can turn off the computer, or we can troubleshoot something with the PC. So let's go ahead and click Troubleshoot. Now clicking Reset this PC will give us a couple options to either reset the PC and keep your personal files, such as your pictures, your documents, your videos, and your music, or you can remove everything. But I'm going to go ahead and click the back arrow. Under our advanced options, we have several different options here. We can see if Windows 10 can fix itself with Startup Repair. We can try uninstalling the latest Windows 10 updates and seeing if that fixes our problem. We can change startup settings. I'm going to click this to show. This will change how Windows 10 starts up, such as using low resolution, enable the debugging mode, and enables boot logging. The most used one is enabling safe mode while boot up. We can disable the driver's signatures. We can disable early launch malware protection. And we can disable automatic restart if the system fails, just to be able to read the error codes. By clicking the back arrow, we also have an option to system restore, which I will link up here in the top card on a video on how to set up system restore. We have system image recovery if you created a Windows image. And then we have the popularly used command prompt. And this will open up a command prompt inside of Windows 10. We're just going to select our account, type in the password, and now we have a command prompt for our computer. This has been a basic video on the advanced restart inside of Windows 10. And this has been a video by nephew-tech.com, and I hope you